Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be checking out and test driving this 1978 Pontiac Firebird Formula. Great looking car.
A 400 sounds nice.
It does. Black paint's got a great look, beautiful shine.
This is a very, very straight car.
These Pontiac hoods are always kind of a...
Pretty heavy.
Yeah, there. Great looking car with the hood. Looks like it's got air.
The paint in the jam, paint on the bottom of the hood looks good. 400 is pretty good. Very nice cold air conditioning for plastic air, so that works good.
Front's nice.
Yeah, really, really nice. He does have an electric fan up here as well.
The trim tag and firewall are in really beautiful shape. Power steering, power brakes, and air.
I'll show it for you. Yeah, and like I said, it's something you can pop open under the hood and show off at a car show and stuff.
You want to do this walk around?
Sure, love to. The last one of these we had was a black 4-speed 400, nice car as well. Both of them had air. This is the automatic version of it. And again, just a great looking formula. As we go here to the front nose piece, a lot of times they're going to have some chips and they take the brunt of everything, but the nose piece actually is in great shape. It's got a couple little tiny hairline. I don't know if they're really a crack. Yeah, just maybe a little bit there. We do have a little rip or a crack here in that Enduro bumper right there. Other than that, the rest of the bumper looks great. Grill looks nice. It is like a freaking hot box on this cement, D.
It is quite warm today.
Our hood gap is great. Lines up beautifully in the back. We do have one tiny little blem right here in the paint, about the size end of my pinky finger. Very small under the paint. It's got some nice 255 BFG raised white letter tires. As far as the rest of the paint on the front fender is excellent. The gold is excellent down low. Also no bubbles or blisters. Same thing throughout all the gold. It looks awesome. Bottom of the door lines up perfectly to the bottom of the rear quarter in front of the wheel. Gorgeous paint on it. And I know it wasn't done, recently. It was done here years ago, but it looks beautiful. We didn't have to buff it or nothing.
Jams are excellent too. They didn't skimp on it.
Yeah, no, the jam paint is beautiful on it. It's a very nice car. Look at the trunk. Did you do the undercarriage of this one, or did I?
You must have, I think.
It was last week though. So, but anyway, the trunk floor is absolutely perfect. It's got the nice carpet in it. It's very solid. As we look up and down the sides, passenger is laser straight. Behind the rear wheel, the gold is excellent as well. Let's go check out the interior. While I wait for Dalton to do that, the chrome around the back window looks good. Rear glass looks good. Corner of the passenger door is absolutely perfect. Never been touched, rust-free. That's what I like to see. Rubber is nice. Door panel is in excellent shape. The bottom of the door panel, you got the little pocket in there. The carpet's really nice. Handles are good. There is a few, let me pull the seat back.
Seats are in beautiful shape, but you can tell there's just a little bit of wear here on the seat
That's
back.
the original plastic still, and you can see it's just scuffed a little bit from getting in and out. But yeah, the headliner is in excellent shape. The back door panels look nice. The rear seats are excellent. They've got the factory GM seat belts. They're nice and soft still. And like you said, the front seats are excellent as well. It will need a new console cover. It does have a crack in the console lid. Those are available. As far as the dash goes, dash is in beautiful shape. That's really nice as well. AM, FM digital radio. The inside corner of the door is great. Door jamb paint is nice. Dash pad looks good. Wow,
straight.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It really looks nice out here. And as you look at the back side of the hood all the way down on the top of the fender, I'm going to point that out because most of the time, these are huge hoods. A lot of times you'll see just a little bit of bulge in here. This is absolutely perfect all the way from front to back.
And I love the PMD rallies on this car. They just really set
it looks good. The last one had the snowflakes, and they look good too, but the PMD rallies, you know, I'm just a big fan of those. I hope the video, the paint condition shows as good in the video as it does in person, because it does look great. Couple little chips right here on the gold, little paint chips. Other than that, no bubbles or blisters over the wheel well. Looks excellent. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage photos. There'll be 20 to 30 photos of it under there. Just kind of check that out for yourself. Corner of the door looks great, lines up great. So does the lower front fender against the lower part of the door, and rocker is excellent as well. Door fits nice and flush. It's got the door edge guard. Corner of the driver's door is perfect. Door jamb paint's nice. Rubbers are great. Door panels are perfect. Roof rail rubber's new as well. Very, very nice, Dalton. I'm very impressed by this. I do find one issue. It's got a little spot through in the seat right here on the very, very corner. Other than that, the seat looks brand new still. Hot damn, glad the AC works. Let's get it going, shall we? Horn works. We said that at the same time.
I was waiting for you to say wipers work. What they do.
Dome light works, and the headliner's in excellent shape. Rear view mirror's nice and tight. Rear defrost doesn't light up. Who cares? AC, gas gauge works, volt gauge works.
Tack works.
Yep. Tack works. Clock does not. AC's already blowing cold. Let's get her going, should we?
Looks like it's got just a newer retro sound radio in there. Those are a nice upgrade.
Yeah. Both turning signal indicators work on the dash too. Factory oil pressure gauge is pegged out. That doesn't work. But all the rest of the gauges work. I know the dim gauge works, the volt gauge, gas gauge, everything works.
Looks like the radio's Bluetooth compatible.
It's got the little speaker here too.
Okay, nice.
Into it.
Now I just gotta find out how to get into this AM FM for us.
Here's your brakes. Stop perfect. I just stopped up a little late there. Let's go through the gears, should we? Manual. And on the way back, we'll go through it, just start her to drive. 3,800 RPM shift. 3,500.
Sounds really good.
Yeah, 85, 90.
Runs great.
3,000 RPM, no hands on the wheel. What a car.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Do you want me to pay attention to the road?
Yeah, please.
Here's your high-speed braking.
Stop great.
Yeah, it does. It does. Really nice car. I'm super impressed by it.
I am.
Let's go ahead and see if the kickdown works and stuff. Put it in drive and go. I love the power, and I love the suspension and stuff.
First time I drove it, I thought the same thing. It just handles really well, and then you can hear that 400 just tuned in perfectly. You can hear the secondaries open up on that
Nice
4-barrel.
car. Look at that. No need to go through the gears manually. She drops right down.
That's awesome.
Back her down at 80. And like I said, look at the steering wheel. Perfectly straight. Alignment's awesome. No vibration at all on the steering wheel. Great Firebird.
Yeah, someone's going to be really happy with this one. Check it out on our site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.